Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for reliable, secure, and affordable hosting for your n8n automation, Hostinger VPS is the best choice. In this video, I'll show you an example using the Hostinger VPS KVM2 plan, but you can also go for KVM4 or KVM8 depending on your project size and needs. Now here's the cool part. If you use my special Hostinger partnership link, you'll get an extra 20% discount. But if you use a normal coupon code, you'll only get 10%. That's why my link gives you the better deal. You'll find links for all available countries in the description and comments section. Just choose your country and click, and it'll take you straight to the Hostinger page. Then, on the top of the page, click Self-Hosted N8N. Here, you'll see all VPS automation plans, KVM2, KVM4, and KVM8. With KVM2, you'll even get a free domain and 3 months of hosting free. Just make sure to sign up with a new email address that hasn't been used with Hostinger before to claim the full offer. The 20% discount will be applied automatically at checkout. Hit Continue, finish your purchase, and start automating your workflows with n8n on Hostinger VPS. All country links are in the comments. Check them out and enjoy the deal. Happy hosting with Hostinger.